guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a bedroom cleaning routine. This is pretty much what I do on a weekly basis. So I'm going to start off by stripping the sheets and getting ready for them to go in the wash and making my bed right after this. So I just wanted to point out right here before anybody says anything about the pillowcases being mismatched. My husband is special and he has to sleep on these fleece pillowcases from Target. So our pillowcases are white and he has blue ones. So please just try to excuse that. So this comforter we've had for years and it is completely torn up. It's just really comfortable. We just have yet to get a new one. So just excuse the fact that there are some holes in it, but we have a child still in the bed with us and we're not really worried about getting a new one as of right now. So next I'm going to be moving on to my makeup area in my room, my vanity, and just wiping it down with some glass cleaner. And if you notice me going back and forth from the vanity to behind the camera, my daughter kept trying to pull the camera down, so please excuse that. Next up, we're going to be moving on to dusting my dresser and my two side tables. This Pledge multi-surface spray does a pretty good job. It doesn't seem to leave any streaks or anything like that, but I'm not too fond of the smell, so I'm not quite sure if I will be repurchasing this. But for now, it'll do the job. So obviously, as you can tell, I've really been slacking on folding my laundry lately. It's one of my least favorite things to do, so I can wash it with no problem, but then when it comes to folding it, I just get really lazy and have put it off in baskets, and it just been sitting there for a while. So Next up is my favorite part of cleaning my room, vacuuming, because I feel like it just makes the whole room feel complete and really nice and neat when you can see the vacuum lines. So So that's pretty much my weekly bedroom cleaning routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will like it and subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you, and I hope to see y'all in my next video. Thanks so much again for watching. Bye!